Okay, picture this. A customer sends a quick message. Hi, are you open on Sundays? And bam! Within one single second, an answer pops up. But here's the crazy part. Nobody actually typed this reply. No employee had to drop what they were doing. No customer support agent was sitting at a keyboard. This answer was generated entirely by AI, automatically, the absolute instant the message came through.
And listen, this isn't just some neat party trick. It is a fundamental shift in how work gets done. Businesses all over the globe are already using these AI tools to handle the daily grind, things like customer support, booking appointments, and firing off personalized product recommendations. It's literally saving them hours of tedious work every single day. And the best part? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build one of these systems for yourself from the ground up. Oh, and we're going to do it with absolutely zero code.
So welcome to today's explainer, Build Your First AI Agent. And I really want you to notice that subtitle right there. No code, beginner friendly. Seriously, if you have never used AI in your life, or if you usually feel kind of intimidated by the tech side of things, do not worry at all. I've got you. Just follow along with me step by step, and I promise by the end of this explainer, you are going to have your very own working AI assistant.
All right, here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with the AI Agent Advantage, walk through the Google AI Studio setup, and then craft your very first prompt. After that, we'll test and refine it, explore some real-world applications, and finally, look at how to avoid the most common beginner mistakes.
Let's jump right into Section 1, the AI Agent Advantage, and why we are moving way beyond basic chatbots.
Right, so before we build one, we need to get crystal clear on what an AI agent actually is. Honestly, the best way to think about it is like a digital employee that never, ever sleeps. Unlike clunky old software, an AI agent actually understands the instructions you give it. It actively thinks about the specific question your customer is asking, and then it generates a totally unique, context-aware response based on exactly what you have taught it.
Now, there is a massive distinction here that a lot of folks miss. Basic chatbots and AI agents, definitely not the same thing. A basic chatbot is super rigid. It basically just blindly follows a list of pre-written replies. If a customer phrases a question even slightly differently, boom, the chatbot breaks down. An AI agent, though, understands the intent, thinks through the logic, and dynamically creates the answer. It is a total game changer.
So, how do we actually build this? Let's move to our Google AI Studio setup. And yes, zero installation required.
We're going to use Google AI Studio for this build, and the reason is super simple. It is incredibly beginner-friendly, and you can jump right in without downloading any heavy software. Just 3 really easy steps. Number 1, search for Google AI Studio in your browser. Number 2, click that Get Started button on their site. And number 3, simply sign in with your standard Google account. Now, once you're in, don't panic if the interface looks a little overwhelming. We're only going to touch a couple of key features today.
All right, account is set up. Let's get into crafting your first prompt, which is basically training your new digital employee. Every AI agent needs instructions to start. These instructions tell the AI exactly who it is and how it's supposed to act. We call this a prompt. Imagine dropping a foundational prompt like this into the studio. You are a friendly customer support assistant. Always answer politely. Keep your answers short. If you don't know something, be honest. Always ask if the customer needs more help. By doing this, you are giving the AI its baseline personality and setting strict boundaries. It's exactly like handing a training manual to a new hire. Make your instructions crystal clear and your AI is going to perform beautifully.
Next up, testing and refining. This is our quality control phase.
Now that the AI has its instructions, we have to test it out. And the golden rule here? Don't just throw random goofy questions at it. You want to ask the practical, real-world questions your actual customers ask. So if you type in, "What are your business hours?" the AI is going to process that through the exact rules we just set, meaning it'll be polite, keep it brief, and be honest. Let's try another one. Where are you located? If you were building this for a real business, say a restaurant, you'd test it with questions about the menu. If it's a gym, ask about membership tiers. Testing with real examples is what actually proves the AI is generating dynamic, accurate responses based entirely on the identity we built in that prompt. But here is a little secret that a lot of beginners totally miss. The true quality of your AI doesn't come from some crazy complex coding. It comes directly from refining your prompt. Watch what happens when we go back and add these specific constraints. Keep replies under 80 words. Use simple English. Always sound professional. Never guess information. Changing or adding just a couple of sentences like that, it completely upgrades the AI's reliability. When you retest after adding those rules, you're going to see instantly better, highly controlled answers.
So, how does this actually play out in the wild? Let's check out some real-world applications for your business. Really quick, before we look at specific industries, I want to give you a massive pro tip. Do not try to make your AI do 10 different jobs at once. When you're just starting out, don't make it a sales rep, a tech support agent, and a booking coordinator all at the same time. Make it do one single job, and make it do it extremely well. Hyper-focus equals high quality. Think about the everyday headaches this solves across all kinds of businesses: restaurants, gyms, tech shops, dental clinics, real estate, you name it. Like, imagine you own a restaurant. Instead of you or your staff manually replying to "What time do you close?" 50 times a day, your AI agent just handles it, automatically, instantly, politely. This automated answering concept literally eliminates those repetitive tasks and saves massive amounts of time for pretty much any business out there.
Now, of course, learning a new skill means hitting a few bumps. Let's quickly cover avoiding beginner mistakes so you know exactly what not to do.
I want to make sure you don't get super frustrated during this first build, so watch out for these 3 common traps. Mistake number 1, writing a super vague one-line prompt and just expecting the AI to read your mind. It needs detail. Mistake number 2 is never testing your AI with real-world scenarios before you actually trust it with your customers. And mistake number 3, expecting absolute perfection immediately on your very first try. Seriously, even professional AI developers don't nail it on the first go. They iterate, they test, and they improve their prompts dozens of times. All right, let's recap and look at next steps. And hey, you just built your first AI. Congratulations!
Let's just do a quick rundown of the highly valuable skills you mastered in this explainer. You learned the core difference between a dynamic AI agent and a basic chatbot. You set up a Google AI Studio account without downloading a single thing. You built your first AI assistant using just natural language. You leveled it up by adding strict guidelines to the prompt. And finally, you tested it like a pro.
So right now, your brand new AI agent is working flawlessly inside Google AI Studio. But I want to leave you with a provocative question. What part of your business will never sleep again? Because in our next explainer, I'm going to show you exactly how to take this AI you just built and wire it into a real live website so your customers can chat with it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If this explainer helped you out, make sure to subscribe because this series is taking you from complete beginner to building powerful AI solutions for real businesses. Thanks for hanging out.